Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the 12-volt battery on a Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. This is the same process on all hybrid models ranging from 2013 to 2020. On this hybrid model, the battery is located in the trunk of the car. Hit that subscribe button and show your support to my channel. This year has been a great YouTube year for me, with lots of growth, and I will continue to put out more videos, so I really appreciate everyone's support. Also, make sure to check out my second YouTube channel where I explore British Columbia, Canada. For this project, you're going to need a 10mm socket and ratchet, safety glasses, a pair of gloves, and of course a new battery. First off, you're going to remove this plastic piece in the trunk. So remove these two screws. You just need to twist them counterclockwise. Now move the carpet out of the way and gently pull the plastic cover to remove it from its place, like this. There is one more of those twistable screws you need to take off, as shown here. After that, gently pull the liner out of the way like this. There's also a small rivet that you need to remove. You can just pull on it and it'll come right off. So now we have access to the battery. There are a total of 3 10mm bolts that you need to remove. I've circled the ones you need to remove here in red, so take a look. The middle one is a strap that holds the battery in place, and the other two are the terminals itself. Also, there is a battery vent tube on the top left side of the battery, right here, and you will need to remove that before taking off the battery, or taking the battery out of the vehicle. I'm going to remove the strap bolt first, then the positive, followed by the negative. This is a totally depleted battery, but if you have some juice left in your battery, start by removing the negative terminal first, then followed by the positive. Once the terminals are loose, move them out of the way before lifting the battery out of the vehicle. Before installing the new battery, you need to know how to reset the battery monitoring system. The battery monitoring system is tracking your battery state of charge and age. If you don't reset the BMS system, it will hold the old battery parameters and treat the new battery like an aged battery. This may lead to situations of insufficient charging, which can lead to decreased life of the battery. There are 4 ways to reset the battery monitoring system. So let's start with method 1. Method 1 is after replacing the 12-volt battery, let the car sit overnight undisturbed for 8 hours. Do not open the door or press the key fob. The battery management system will reset. This method has been tested successfully on a 2013 MKZ Hybrid and confirmed with the voltmeter. Method number 2, wait a minimum of 1.5 hours before putting the new battery in, and the BMS will reset on its own. Method number 3, press the start button on the car without actually starting the vehicle. Then flash the high beams 5 times and press the gas pedal 3 times. A battery symbol on the dash will flash on a non-hybrid vehicle, but with this hybrid model, there will be none of that. You have to wait 15 seconds after doing the high beams and gas pedals, then hit the start button again to turn off the vehicle. Then in another 2 to 5 seconds, start up the vehicle. Method 4, use a scan tool and reset the battery monitoring system. This can be done at a mechanic shop or if you have scan tools at home. I chose to do method 2, which is wait about 2 hours before installing the new battery. If you have any further questions regarding the battery management system, you can comment down below and I'll try my best to help you guys out. You could also ask in the Facebook group, the Real Lincoln MKZ Enthusiast on Facebook. Now we can install the new battery. The new battery costed me $225 Canadian, which I got from the Ford dealership. Move the liners and battery cables out of the way and slowly place the new battery inside. Make sure the battery is nice and snug inside. Start off by connecting the positive terminal followed by the negative terminal. Hand tight the bolts until the clamps tighten on the battery terminal. Also, do not forget about the strap. Make sure to tighten that well and make sure the battery does not move back and forth. Make sure the battery vent is connected back on and everything else is nicely secure. We can start putting the liner back now. Push this rivet back up here. Tuck the liner underneath the weather stripping. The end of the liner sticks out of the weather strip, so you don't have to tuck that in. Now let's put the plastic trunk piece in. These have clips on the top, so we need to make sure that they clip into the body first. So align it and gently press the top of the plastic piece to lock it in. So this is nicely locked in now. I'm just going to put my carpet back in. Then I'm going to install those 3 plastic screws. And make sure to put your battery cover on, of course. So now I'm installing those 3 screws. That's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Happy New Year and see you all next time.